Peace. What's going on? I know. It's been a few days. You ain't see me. I'm alive, still kicking it, still doing the damn thing. All right? But we got some things to talk about. I know you guys already seen the thumbnail, right? Right. So let's get it. Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling heavy,
Feeling real heavy.
like down low. It's
C-Paul, baby.
It's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
So I hope you guys have been great. I hope you guys have been in a great mood. You know, I hope life has been good. Just had to adjust right quick just to make sure I'm on the right plan. But yeah, man, a lot has been going on. We have different color ways coming on the Voss and Bridges line. If you have not stopped by our website, vossandbridges.com, stop by, stay fly, you know the vibes. Been promoting it. We're about to be coming up on 1 year, so we're about to be celebrating our 1 year anniversary of being in business, being an actual business, you know what I mean, with a federal tax ID number and all that good stuff. So please look out for that and look out for what we have going on. So getting to the topic of the video, my baby, all right? My baby is in the shop right now. Not because I wrecked it or anything went bad or whatnot. I think I covered it on another video. If I did, I put it up right here. But every time I get a vehicle, right? And it's not just me. You also. Anytime you get a vehicle, you should do a major tune-up. I'm not talking about just a spark plug and oil change or whatnot. You should do a real tune-up because you do not know the previous person's driving habits. You don't know their maintenance habits. So that's something that you should do. And you know, I'm pretty sure it's going to be some adults to watch this video and be like, oh, that's something that you should know anyway. Well, maybe I'm not talking to you. Just saying. So when I'm speaking about things like this is me being able to empower, for one, younger people, me being able to empower people that have cars but have never been taught car maintenance or just the little maintenance that you want to do when you go to buy a car. Why? Because nobody ever told them. I mean, it's a lot of people that don't have both parents coming up, and some people who do have one parent coming up, they might not even be privy to have that information or to know somebody that can give them that information. So if they have not been given that information, how can they give it to their offspring? You feel what I'm saying? So just understand, man, I try to put forth this information so that I can help out somebody. Somebody's, maybe. And that's my objective. That's my real objective with doing YouTube, period, is to just be able to inform or empower somebody that might not have had the information before now. But like I said, my car's in the shop and I'm getting a tune up on it, and I'm getting some things checked out because if you know me, I don't drive around in stock cars. I just don't. If I'm driving around in a stock vehicle, it's probably because it's a luxury vehicle and I'm kind of just trying to keep it like that. Why? Because I'm probably not going to keep it long. And this car right here will be no exception. A part of the music that I had in my other vehicle, one of my vehicles that I just sold, is going into my new vehicle. All right. Now, I took it to Flo Burlington. If you didn't know, that's right outside of the city where I live at. And it's mainly because I don't know people at Flo Durham, you know what I mean? And because I have connections with the people at Flo Burlington, it just made more sense to send it there and get everything checked out, 36-point inspection, all that good stuff, you know what I mean? And mainly I have no problem paying for it because I'm going to be riding on it, my family's going to be riding on it, and that's if I don't sell it, because I have something else up my sleeve. I'm just not coming out with it yet, and I'm trying to give it a little bit of time for it to come into fruition before I say this is what I'm doing. All right, but I want you guys to continue rocking with me and to continue to know I am still on. I am still on. And you know, it's other social media sites out here. It's a whole lot more social media sites out here. Some that I am involved in. And if you have made it to the end of this video, I want you to pull up on this website, this social media site called Rizzle. Pull up on it. If you pull up on it, type in my name, all right? And subscribe, follow, whatever you want to do. And until the next time, good people, I will talk to you real soon, and I will keep you informed about what's going on with my new V-dub, all right? Stay safe, stay positive, stay hydrated. Make it your business to visit VorsenBridges.com. Stop by and stay fly, man. Y'all know the business. Let me get out of here, man. To the next one. New shop talk coming too. Actually, tomorrow. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Peace.